Hi, I'm Tony O'Brien. I'm the Senior AV Reviewer for StereoNet and an ISF certified calibrator with over 10 years experience. And I'm here today to do an unboxing of Optoma's P1 4K laser short throw projector. So let's hop into it, shall we? So we've got a grid which helps us with placing the projector. Warranty and manual. Okay. This contains a remote which is somewhat on the smaller side, as you can see. However, it has all the buttons that's needed on it. It's got quite a nice feel to it, actually. It's made out of aluminium, so it's got a very nice feel to it. Also got a high-speed HDMI cable and USB cable. I'm just going to ask my assistant to give me a hand taking this out of the box. Thank you, assistant. This has actually got some heft to it, or some weight to it, which is always a good sign. Oops. Just so my wife knows too, that didn't scratch the table. There's a bit of packaging here. Okay. It's quite an attractive looking unit. Beauty of a unit like this too, particularly being short throw, is it's going to disappear. So it doesn't have a very large footprint at all. Just over here, I don't know if you can get in and see that, but we've got the lens there. So that's a laser light source, which has got 20,000 hours of, well, quoted 20,000 hours lifespan on it. So in reality, you're probably going to replace the projector before you'll replace the laser in it. So this is a 4K unit. Now, it is a DLP projector, so it uses Texas Instruments 0.47 DMD. So what that means is, in actuality, it's got a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 or 1080p. What the mirrors do inside a DLP unit such as this is they quadruple that count. So it's 4 times in the resolution, bringing us up to our 4K pixel count. It also supports HDR10 and hybrid log gamma, or HLG. Optoma are quoting 3000 lumens on it, so it should be bright enough for HDR playback, but as always we'll do our own measurements and see how it stacks up. So getting back to the unit itself, as you can see, it's an attractive looking unit. It appears to be very well made. We've got a soundbar around the front. So this is a 2-channel soundbar. So this means that we're not going to get surround sound from it, obviously. I imagine most people who are going to be using this in a serious or a dedicated home theatre environment are going to be matching it up with a sound system themselves anyway. But what this does is it gives you the flexibility if you want to take it to a friend's place, or just put it in another spot, or even outside to watch a football game or have a movie night. You can certainly do that. Yeah. So we might move around to the back and have a look at the connections. So fans are located here on both sides of the unit. Beauty of a short throw projector with fan noise as well, as this will typically be located a fair distance from you. So looking at those connections, we can see we've got 2 HDMI inputs on the back. We've also got 2 USB ports. This one here is reserved for service. We've got an audio input here and a Toslink connection. Now I think around the side here, yes I did, I saw some additional connections. So we've got a USB input and another HDMI input. On the bottom of the unit here, we've got feet which can be adjusted. Which you're gonna typically use to get placement and align the image properly on the wall. So yeah. All in all, it's quite an attractive unit. As I said earlier, I'm looking forward to getting this going for review, and in dedicated home theatres too. I'm also interested particularly to see how the HDR performs. Obviously, we're going to have to do some measurements on this and calibrate it, and watch it with some actual viewing material to see how it stacks up. So once again, I'm Tony O'Brien from StereoNet. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for our full review of Optoma's P1 4K laser short throw projector.